Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here at Aldi and they have their new finds out, so we're going to go through and see what they have. Right here on the end are their indoor outdoor area rugs for $49.99. They're 5x7 and they are the hobo style. Here are the different colors. Right here are the Cutler Pet Beds for $29.99. They have them in this beautiful gray, green, yellow. Yes, those are light gray, dark gray. Those are the colors that they have for $29.99. And the inside of the bed, guys, it's not removable, but it's not tucked in really well either. It's not sewn down. It's sewn down, like a little tab on each side, but that's it. But I think that's good enough. Just want you guys to know that. Okay? Next, we have a traveling bucket pet bed for $19.99. Right here. Give you guys a close-up on what it looks like. So cute. Isn't it cute? I can see my baby in one now. Okay, they have this cute little green, gray, and is there any other colors? Oh yeah, there's blue and there's brown. Really nice. Here they have the Febreze Pet assorted varieties for $3.97. This air heavy duty is my favorite. Oh my goodness. If this doesn't kill or eliminate the odor, I don't know what to tell you. Yes, pet odor eliminator here. Okay, right here is the hard to tell cat scratch and play post for $14.99. Looks like a lot of fun. Here down at the bottom is the Easy Home printed to bushel laundry basket, $8.99. Okay, right here it says, "Let's get ready to tumble." So cute. So fresh and so clean. Or is that too fresh and too clean? Okay. Here are the lady slip-on sneakers for $12.99. They have them in these 3 different prints. This green. This is that leopard and the black. Okay. Next to it is the character slip-on kids for the kids. I do not see a price, but they are so cute. They have Frozen, Mickey Mouse, and what is that over there? Excuse me. Okay. Up here are the driving glasses, date and night driving glasses for $7.99. Right here is the Huntington home furniture cover for $19.99. I see them in brown and in gray. Right here is the wireless vertical mouse.
No, you're good. You're good.
I don't see a price here in store, but I don't think it was totally expensive. So I think I'm not sure what it is, but it's affordable. Okay, right here is the Cordless Screwdriver for $19.99. This Safety First Cool Mist Humidifier, $27.99. Pensonic Sherpa Throw, $9.99. Love this yellow, it's so pretty, so vibrant. This cream and this pretty peach color. Here are the character socks for the kids. It is an 8-pack. I do not see the price up here. Okay, let me go back to these shoes over here for the little ones. There is another pair back here that I couldn't cover because it had gotten a bit crowded behind me. But they also have this one. More baskets here by Easy Home. Flexi hamper for $6.49. I see them in white, blue, and gray. Here are the Easy Home folding step stool, $8.99. They come in cream, black, and gray for $8.99. Here are the Crofton plastic pantry container set for $8.99. You get a 6-piece. Here's a close-up. Guys, excuse the noise in the background and any imperfections today because it is crowded, but it's not going to stop the show. Here is the Crofton 14-ounce stainless steel vacuum insulated mug with the lid for $6.99. Did you all see the upcoming video I did on Aldi? It had all of this in there. Yes, so it's exciting to do the upcoming find, to see what's coming up and then to actually see it. I like that. So yes, I do have a video on the upcoming finds, which is today's finds. Okay, so they have these cups in this color, the red. It looks like it's a green back there. Okay. Here are the Crofton Grater assortment for $7.99. They have the stainless steel one here. They also have this one. Here are the cute little baskets that they have. Let's see. The decorative woven baskets here. You get either 2 small ones or 1 large one. Here are the 2 small ones that you will get, and that one large one. Ooh. Crowded, guys. It's thinning out now, so maybe we could flow a little bit better. Okay, skylight rolling and duffel bag right here for $19.99. We have it in this black, gray, and blue and white, and that multicolor right there for $19.99. Huntington Home hand woven layering rug for $8.99. Nice. Here it goes. It's a 24 by 36 inch. It's orange and white, black and white. And it's like a red, not red, but is that like a deeper? Yes. Okay, so it's considered a red and white. See, this is red and white on top of the orange and white. Okay. Now, up here, the Huntington Home single wick candles for $2.49. Apple Prosecco, cinnamon pumpkin latte, juniper suede, amber sunrise. Here are the 16-inch premium resin planter. They have them in gray and white, $12.99. Really nice. Here are the Huntington Home fall gnomes for $8.99. So cute. And they're heavy too, guys. Heavy so they won't fall over. Oh yeah, they're cute. Super cute. Yep, this one. And this purple one. Purple, black, and orange. Yes. Okay. Here are the Huntington Home candle warmer lantern for $14.99. Have it in cream, natural wood, and that dark gray / natural wood come through. Good Lord, that was a lot. Okay, so now guys, we're getting ready to go into the items they had last week but I guess they're, you know, good sale. They're selling really good, so they kept them with the new finds for this week. Here are the ladies faux fur lined mules for $12.99. And guys, if you didn't catch the video from last week, these mules are beautiful, but they are more like house shoes. So yes, just FYI, but they are cute. Matter of fact, let me take one out so you guys can see. They have it in tan, mauve, and black and brown. They came in 4 different colors. Oh Lord, everything is falling. Okay, so here's the tan. Super cute. I was so hyped up about these shoes, guys. Okay, here is black on the floor that I need to pick up. I'll straighten it up after I'm finished. Okay, but here's the black with the gold chain on it. Really cute. Okay. Here are the slippers. The open toe slipper. This one says Sleepy. Day off. Cute. Here are the Adventurage men's or ladies hiking boots for $22.99. Yeah, they had these last week, guys. So here we go. Here are more of the fall decorative toss pillows for $9.99. Right here. We have this one, this pattern here. We have this one, super cute. Let's see, okay. How cute is that? Oh yeah, love it. Right here they have these oversized mesh back chairs, black chairs. Let's start this over. Oversized mesh back chair for $24.99. They have it in this blue and this green. Reversible wall sign for $12.99. Like I said, all of these items I'm going over now, they were here last week. Okay. Right here, Huntington Home ceramic pumpkin, $9.99. Have that color left. Okay, they just have the brown left in my store. The Huntington Home tabletop easel sign, $6.99. Super cute. That one. That one. Nice. It has the stand on the back. Okay, right here is the Huntington Home fall reversible mantle sign for $7.99. It says welcome over in here. And on this side, autumn market. Okay, they only have one left here at my store. And right here, the 14-inch hanging basket for $5.99. This has been here forever, so we should be getting that for $1 this week. In my dreams, right? Okay, right here is the rattan style storage table for $39.99. Here's a closer look. It's well made. Okay. Here the 2 nest inside tables. They're still here and they are still $69.99. Okay, so let's do a quick walk back to make sure we didn't, overlook anything, guys. As I'm telling you, it was crowded when I first started. These rugs right here. I'm glad I came back. See, I missed these rugs here, and I'm sure you guys was waiting on these rugs. They were right next to the layering rug. I don't know how I missed it, but anyway. This one is 26 by 46 core mat for $14.99. They're huge and really nice. Okay, I have this one. This one says hello. This one says welcome. Okay. Really nice and super heavy. Okay, pick that up in a second. This one here is the Huntington Home Core Mat, $8.99. Let's see. Farm Fresh. Same thing. Okay, this one says Hello Pumpkin, and the size is 18 by 30. Okay, I'm gonna clean all of that back up. So, yes, I love that rolling duffel bag for $19.99. I think that's a good buy. Those throws for $9.99. Love those. These hampers, can't beat the deal. $6.49 for those two, and $8.99 for these three. Okay, these shoes are cute, especially this green. It's really nice. Oh yes, and that Febreze, it's a must, guys. Thank me later. And these beds right here are adorable for $29.99. Okay, guys, I think that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. And I'll see you guys on the next one.